Are you a payee or rep using Sales Cookie to track your sales and commissions payout? If yes, this tutorial is for you. I'll show you how to use the built-in AI assistant, a powerful tool to analyze your incentives. So on your incentives dashboard, click on the blue bubble in the bottom right corner to launch the AI assistant. You have some available prompts. I'm going to try a different prompt. Help me visualize my recent payouts. We're going to give the AI assistant a minute, and very quickly it's going to recap my recent commission payouts and also show me visually my payouts for different incentive plans over time. So with that, let's try out the AI assistant from within a commission statement. So I'm going to go to my quarterly sales contest plan and click on my third quarter commission statement. My prompt this time will be summarize my quarterly sales contest plan for the third quarter for attainment and payout. And again, the AI assistant is just going to go through pretty quickly and show me a concise summary and clear insights into my attainment as well as my payouts by tier. Here's the best part. The AI assistant is available 24/7 and answers questions in real time. It works across multiple languages so global teams can benefit too. That's it. You've just seen how the AI assistant makes incentive analysis faster and easier. Give it a try today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.